Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening to all of you. Hopefully you are doing fine. In my last video yesterday, I was explaining to you about the ratio, and in the chapter of the ratio or in the lesson of the ratio, I explained to you three kind of the ratios. I explained to you part to part ratio, part to whole ratio, and whole to part ratio. But for today, I will explain to you also ratio. This is second video about the ratio, but in this video I will explain to you how we can use part to whole ratio or a part to total ratio to complete Sum table. So let's start and we will see that how we can use table with the help, how we can complete the table with the help of part to whole ratio or a part to part ratio. This is example one of them with me. The ratio of the adults to all the peoples in the room is 3:5. So it means 3 peoples are about adults and 5 is equal to total peoples. So 6 peoples are, for example, adults and 10 peoples are total. And 9 peoples are adults and 15 peoples are, for example, total. If we want to find out the children, so it is very easy. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. 15 minus 9, that is equal to 6. But in this question, the first thing is, this is question mark. We need to find out. How we can find out? He already gave me total. I will write here total. Total is how much? 20 multiply. We already have ratio. What is here? 3 out of 5. We can also write a ratio as into the fraction as like this 3 out of 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 equal 5. 5 multiplied by 4 equal 20. 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. So it's mean we can write here 12. So 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. This is also missing. We can also use the same way to find this. So 25 multiplied by 3 out of 5. 5 times 5 equal 25. 5 times 3 equal 15. So I can write here 15. 25 minus 15. So it's mean there is children. How many? 10 children. This is the part A in this video for completing the table. What is the part B? In part B, how many adults are in a room of 100 peoples? It means there is total how many peoples? 100 peoples. Show you are thinking. We choose one ratio. For example, I choose 15 and 25. I choose here 15 and 25. I can choose any order pair from here. 3 and 5, 6 and 10, like that we can choose. So I can put here ratio. Total peoples are how much? He said to me total peoples are 100. So 25 multiplied by what equal 100? 4. I will write here multiplied by 4. And same number you will multiply to the other side. 15 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 60. So it's mean total adults people are here in this room are equal how much? 60. If, for example, I don't want to choose 15 and 25, I can also choose another order pair. Let's try to choose another order pair. I will erase this. The answer will be same. So let's try it another time. Okay. For example, I choose any order pair. I choose 6 and 10. I write here 6, then I write here 10. So total peoples are here how much? 100. I write here 100. So 10 multiplied by what equal 100? 10. And same number I need to be multiplied here. 10. 10 multiplied by 6 equal 60. You can see, say before I find 60 and now I also find a 60. So choose one of them number. For example, choose 5. Okay, 5 multiplied by 20. And after that 15, if you will choose 15, it means it will be here decimal number. It will be here decimal number. So try to avoid from the decimal number. So this is how we can complete the table with the help of part to whole ratio or given ratio. Let's try another example to understand it more. In the next example, we have 7/10. 7/10 means, first of all, we must know what is 7/10. 7/10 means 7 out of 10. This is fraction. We can also write like that 7 ratio 10. We can also write like that 7 to 10. This is fraction form, this is ratio form, this is whole form. We can write in three forms. So let's try to complete it. There is one project. Some students already finished and some didn't finish it. Let's try how many people. 7 finished. Total how many? 10. 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3. So it means 3 people didn't finish the project. 20 minus 14, 6. So it means 6 people didn't finish. 30 minus 21, it means 9 people didn't finish. This is missing. How we can find out? I already explained to you before. So 40. I take here 40 times. What is my fraction or ratio? 7 out of 10. I know that 7 times 4 times 10 times 4, that is equal to 40. 7 times 4, that is equal to 28. So I can write here 20. If I will minus them, that is equal to 12. Let's try to find it this one. So I will write here 50 multiplied by, again, 7 out of 10. 10 times 5. So it is equal to 35. So I can write here 35. This is equal to 15. He is saying in the part B, this is how we can complete the table. Let's try part B. How many students complete the project if there is 100 students in grade 6? How many students? 100 students. So for example, here is total students 100. So I want to see how many students complete the project. I can choose any order pair. I can choose any order pair. For example, I choose 7 and 10. I will write here 7 and I write here 10. So 10 multiplied by what equal 100? Multiplied by 10. And same number you need to be multiplied to the other side. 10 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 70. So it means 70 students. This I choose one order. You can also choose another one. Let's try to choose another one to make sure. I will choose another one also. How I will complete the next one. So let's try it. Just 1 second. Okay. For example, I will choose this order pair 14 and 20. So what is here? We already know he already gave to me 100 students. 20 multiplied by what equal 100? 5. And same number I need to be multiplied to the other side. 14 multiplied by 5 equal 70. You can see same answer. So this is all about for today, how we can find out how we can complete the table with the given ratio, and sometimes there is missing some numbers, then how we can find out. I also explained to you in this lesson or in this video. I explained to you how we can use part to part ratio to complete some table, and also if there is some given complete students, many students, then how we can find out half students are part of the students. So thank you very much. Try to share the video, try to subscribe the channel. Meet you again with another lesson, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you.